My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the malicious pop-ups and misleading alerts that come from the website firstmirror.com. Firstmirror.com. This website is extremely dangerous and malicious. It displays some misleading information that supposedly you need to click on some link to download some file. But these pop-ups actually contain a certain malware sometimes or adware that may be injected into your computer. Very often these pop-ups by the site firstmirror.com come after people mistakenly click on some allow button that may periodically attack the screen. There may be certain ads displayed in the form of push notifications, and when people interact with them, they may be redirected to all kinds of suspicious and malicious websites, including this resource, firstmirror.com. Also, these pop-ups may be integrated into some file-sharing websites, but we strongly urge you not to interact with them and not to download anything that they suggest. This is extremely dangerous and very risky. Because of that, as I said, your computer may be contaminated with malware or adware or browser hijackers or even more serious threats. If you see these pop-ups, it could be that you simply visited some malicious site that forwarded you to this resource, but it also could happen as a result of some adware enabled in your system. So first thing you should do is to check the control panel of your computer, and if you find any suspicious programs here on the list, uninstall them in the regular manner. Right click on them and uninstall them. I also recommend you to investigate your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and then start investigating your system to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.